When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service they received and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. This customer was so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. We spend countless hours to ensure that we deliver the absolute best customer service out there. So when we receive a 5-star review like this one, we know we're succeeding in our goal. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of customer satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to detail and unparalleled quality. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.